Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 pasta makers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best pasta makers. The 5th product on our list is the Imperia Pasta Presto. The Imperia Pasta Presto is an electrical pasta maker from Italy. It is made up of heavy-duty stainless steel and comes with a non-stick coating. Having a non-stick coating prevents the pasta from sticking to the appliance. It also ensures its safe cutting. Being an electrical pasta maker gives the Imperia Pasta Presto an edge over the other pasta makers. This is because the electrically driven factor makes it possible for the dough to be automatically cut into 6 adjustable thicknesses in just a short time. The product has a built-in motor that allows it to make pasta faster and easier. It also has 2 built-in cutters that can slice tagliatelle and fettuccine from the dough. But they are not limited to these 2 noodles. They can also make spaghetti, angel hair, and other kinds of noodles. The Imperia Pasta Presto is very efficient and is one of the most sought-after pasta makers in the market. Its pros are: the Imperia Pasta Presto is made up of non-stick stainless steel. It is built with motors that make cutting pasta more efficient. It cuts pasta clean and safe, and the appliance is highly durable. However, the cons are: the pasta maker is expensive, and the instructions provided with the product may be hard to understand. If budget is not an issue, the Imperia Pasta Presto is a good option because it is known for its efficiency and high-quality results. Up next in the 4th place is the iSiLER 150. The iSiLER 150 is a pasta maker that comes with rollers that give a smooth and consistent texture to your homemade pasta. There will be no need to squeeze and tear the dough like with other pasta makers. With this appliance, you can easily enjoy chewy and delicious gourmet pasta dishes in the comfort of your home. It allows you to cut the dough without much hassle thanks to its easy-to-use features. One of which is a regulating knob that allows you to choose from 9 different thicknesses, ranging from 0.01 to 0.1 inches. Once you have selected, it will trim the dough sheet according to your preference. It also has a cutter with 2 cutting widths that cut the dough into various noodles like spaghetti, lasagna, dumpling, and many more. These features are made from non-toxic aluminum alloy, making them highly durable. The table clamp keeps the pasta maker in place. The whole assembly of the maker is detachable, so you can easily clean everything. The rollers and cutters are perfectly washable. It helps with storage too. Its pros are: the iSiLER 150 is easy to clean and maintain. The rollers and cutters are made from non-toxic aluminum alloy. It comes with 9 different thickness settings and 2 cutting widths. And it is durable and easy to use. However, the cons are: the pasta maker could use some guides to avoid the accumulation of pasta, and the coating tends to wear off. The iSiLER 150 is a pasta maker for those who are looking for consistency in their homemade pasta. It is also ideal for people who want their pasta makers to be durable and easy to maintain. Still haven't found the pasta maker that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the KitchenAid KSMPRA Pasta Roller. The KitchenAid Pasta Roller is a 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set made specifically to take care of your pasta making needs. It is designed, engineered, and tested by KitchenAid. This pasta maker is used with a KitchenAid stand mixer, so if you already have one, then KSMPRA will be convenient for you as it can fit all household KitchenAid stand mixers. Aside from a pasta roller, it also comes with fettuccine and spaghetti cutters and an exclusive cleaning brush. This pasta maker allows you to roll 6-inch sheets of pasta and choose from its 8 thickness settings. Moreover, there are 3 cutters made of stainless steel. Out of these, the fettuccine and spaghetti cutters stand out the most. They create delicious pasta with evenly trimmed pieces. You will enjoy authentic fresh pasta that you made from scratch. Its pros are: it is compatible with all standard KitchenAid stand mixers. It has a unique design. It cuts in different thicknesses and width. And the cutters can produce evenly trimmed spaghetti and fettuccine pasta. However, it is quite expensive. The KitchenAid KSMPRA pasta roller comes with efficient productivity and a high-quality outcome that is worth its price tag. The second product on our list is the Philips Kitchen Appliances HR2375. Making homemade pasta is much easier with the Philips Kitchen Appliance. This pasta maker can create a half pound of fresh, flavorful pasta in just 10 minutes. All you have to do is add the ingredients, and it will do the rest. It can already mix, knead, and extrude everything automatically, so feel free to experiment with various ingredients to discover your own pasta recipe. You have the option to make it healthy, delicious, gluten-free, and even colorful. It comes with 4 shaping discs that will cut the dough into spaghetti, fettuccine, penne, lasagna, and dumpling. Other accessories include a pasta noodle cutter, cleaning tool, and measuring cup. There is also a recipe book created by culinary experts with 15 pasta and noodle dishes to inspire you. This Philips pasta maker is convenient and easy to use. Its parts are dishwasher safe. You can quickly set it up or dismantle it for cleaning. The product even comes with a storage drawer where you can put all its shaping discs and cleaning tools. Its pros are: it comes with a storage drawer. The product is dishwasher friendly, and it is easy to set up, clean, and store. However, it wears out sooner than expected when not used carefully. The Philips Kitchen Appliances HR2375 is packed with rich features and designed with convenience in mind. You are free to use your creativity with the ingredients to create the homemade pasta that suits your taste with a reasonable price. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top pasta maker is the Marcato Design Atlas 150. The American cooking magazine Cooks Illustrated called it the Ferrari of the pasta machine world. The Marcato Design Atlas 150 is an Italian-made pasta maker designed with stainless steel in a silver tone, without a single hint of plastic. It combines quality, function, aesthetics, tradition, and technical innovation. With its build alone, it already deserves to be on the top of our list. This product includes the pasta machine itself, with the mounted detachable cutting attachment. Other accessories are the pasta cutter, crank, and the clamp that will attach the appliance to the table. It also has a user manual to show you the ropes. With Atlas 150, you can roll and cut pasta dough for traditional lasagna, fettuccine, and taglioni at the comfort of your home. It allows you to roll sheets of dough to 150mm wide at 10 different kinds of thicknesses, ranging from 0.6 to 4.8mm. It produces consistent texture, cook time, and taste. If you want to create pasta of different thicknesses, cuts, and shapes, there are 13 add-on accessories that you can purchase separately. Atlas 150 may seem like a sophisticated kitchen tool. However, it is easy to use and suits both beginners and hobby chefs. It comes with a 10-year guarantee, so you can be assured it is going to be around for quite some time. Its pros are: it is well built, it comes with a clear instruction manual, it can be retrofitted, and it has a 10-year guarantee. However, this pasta maker is not dishwasher safe. Do not wash it with water. The instruction manual states that cleaning should be done with a brush or a wooden stick. Maintaining the Marcato Design Atlas 150 seems to be tedious and taxing. However, when done right, you can use this kitchen appliance for a long time and enjoy the world-class, high-quality pasta it produces. There you have it. Top 5 pasta makers on the market today. If you found a pasta maker on our list that meets your needs and budget, click the links in the description box and catch it at its best price. We are also always looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments, so if there is a product you have in mind that would love us to review, comment below in the comment section and our research team will be happy to review it for you. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time here at the Techs You Can't Live Without channel, your home of fair and square product reviews.